Have you completed unseen paragraph? Yes or no?
Ma'am, I have read the passage.
Have you done the questions?
No, ma'am, I'm still doing it.
Okay, who has completed it? Who
Ma'am, I
has?
have done only the question answer. I have not done the MCQs.
Why is that?
1 minute, ma'am. I'm doing right now.
Rest of the students? Arav? Kanak? No one has done the unseen paragraph. This is so disappointing.
Ma'am, the first question of the MCQ will be third one. It is believed that the plants bring the rain.
Yes, very good, Arya. Rest of the students, I have given you unseen paragraph because so that you can practice, and you have not completed that. It just takes literally just take 15 minutes to complete one unseen paragraph. Rest of the students, Vikhyat, Simran, Neha. Okay, it's no use that if you have not done, it's no use. You know, if only one student has done it, no use to discuss. Aryan, I'll send you the answers. You can check. Okay, Aryan and Himanshu, I'll send you the answers. You can check once. Is that fine?
Um,
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
And rest of the students, please complete it. Yes, no.
Okay, ma'am.
To advertise notice about an event and to create
Spread awareness.
Okay, to create awareness, to inform about an event. That's it? Or
Ma'am, for
to
advertisement.
advertise. Yeah, for advertisements. Very good. So we have for three things: to advertise, okay, to create
ma'am,
awareness.
sir.
Very good. And
It is displayed in public place, sir.
it is displayed in a public place. Very good. Advertise
Ma'am,
an invitation.
Ma'am, to give
Ma'am, your
information
video
about the particular event.
Yes. Okay.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, your video is not turned on.
Ma'am, it is.
Ma'am, it's on.
Ma'am, it's
Ma'am,
visible.
it's on.
Yes.
Just check your internet connection once. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So we'll be doing one question in the class of poster making. Just a second, let me open the question. Okay, so the question is, you are the director. I'll make the poster in the class, okay? You are the director of National Agriculture Organization, Jaipur. You have to make the people all over Rajasthan state aware of the necessity of conserving water and also how to do it. Design a suitable poster to be inserted in the newspapers as well as being put up at the prominent places in the towns of Rajasthan. Okay. So first of all, I make a box.
We shall be writing the question also.
No, you don't need to write the question. Just see how I make the poster. Okay. Just one sample poster we are doing. Okay. So now I have to write one slogan on saving the water. That will be my title also. So I have to write one title. Can anyone suggest? It is about conserving water.
Save water.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Save
slogan or
Save
title?
water, every drop
title.
counts.
Okay, we are writing the title. Save water.
Ma'am, or we can write save water every drop counts.
Save water, every drop counts. Okay. Or save water, save life. Okay, in capital letters, because I have told you before also that usually we see posters at a distance. Okay, we see posters at a distance. So the title that is used in the posters should be in block capital letters. Okay, then we'll write the slogan. Tell me the slogans, good slogans. I'll write the best one here.
Save water today and it will save you tomorrow.
Okay, short. This will be a very short slogan because again, as I said, we need very short phrases. Anyone else?
One drop, one life.
One drop, one life. Okay, this is good. Anyone else has anything in their mind?
Ma'am, future generation also have right on water.
Future generation also has a right over water. Okay. Still,
Ma'am,
who has
or
not spoke up?
waste the water away.
Sorry, can you repeat?
A drop a day, waste the water away.
Okay. Okay, now you're getting creative, everyone. Okay.
It's not
Short.
too late, ma'am. It's not too late to save the water.
It's not too late to save the water. Okay. Right now I'm thinking the best one is one drop, one life. Okay. So close to that.
Ma'am, slogan.
Yeah, slogan. We're writing slogan right now.
Ma'am, save water or die.
Water, save.
One by one. Yes, tell me. Okay. Save water when it falls, where it falls. Good. We can write this. Save water when it falls, where it falls. Okay.
Ma'am, or something like save water today or tomorrow you'll pay.
Save for or tomorrow you'll pay. Okay. Good. Can I get a little bit more short slogan?
Ma'am, save water or die.
Save water or die. Okay. I like this one. Yeah.
It's a little depressing.
It's depressing.
And save
it is
water
not
or die,
always.
ma'am. If somebody
Let's-
reads this on a poster, they'll be.
Ma'am, it is not always possible that.
Yes, ma'am, it sounds like a
ma'am,
threat,
what-
They'll go into
Topic.
this. They'll go in, if someone
Ma'am,
sees this
save
poster,
lives
save
are
water or
not
die,
save water.
they'll go into this depression, no?
Ma'am, it sounds like a
Going to
threat
Canada.
actually.
It sounds
Ma'am,
like
we
a
can
threat.
say
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
like
the
a
life-
threat.
Okay. Best actions do come from the threats, actually. You know that.
But
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
then posters can't do that, can't threaten
Yeah,
you for that.
Ma'am, it can be save water today. It will pay you back tomorrow.
Save water today.
Already said.
Already.
the future is clear, our water will be clear. Together we'll have nothing to fear.
We are not writing a poem. Slogan. Short. Like
Save
water
water.
is the essence of
Ma'am,
life.
water is you need. Do not let it finish.
Water is?
Ma'am, water is you need. Do not let it finish.
Okay. Can we just stick to one drop, one life? I guess we can all
Yes,
agree
ma'am.
that that's the best we have right now.
Yes.
है ना?
Ma'am.
Stick to
One
it.
more. Water
Yeah.
lives matter, matrix and medium.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Water is lives matter, matrix and medium.
Okay. Let's stick to one drop, one life.
Ma'am, save water, it will save you.
Save what it will save you. Yeah, this is also good.
Ma'am, there's one more. Ma'am, save a penny on water and also save water.
Okay. Still, Aryan, we are looking for a short phrase.
Ma'am, eat
Ma'am,
But
water,
good.
save
Leak in
water.
our global flow.
Yes, Simran?
Don't be a leak in our global flow.
Don't be a leak in a global flow. Very good.
Ma'am,
Someone was
ma'am,
saying,
one more.
was saying
Save
each
water,
quarter
water
save
saves.
water.
Sorry. Can you
Ma'am,
repeat?
Each
save,
quarter save
save
water.
water, water saves.
Okay. It's like too many slogans now. Okay. So now, good everyone. Okay. So now we have written the slogan also. We have the title also. Okay. Then we'll write some points. Okay. Then we can write like tips to save water, something like this. Okay. Tips to save water. Okay.
Ma'am,
And
or
then
we can
we
write
write points.
when we're
Yeah.
not doing
Water
slogans now.
Tana, can you repeat?
When we're not
Water.
doing slogans.
Just a second.
When we are not doing slogans anymore.
Slogans we have done.
Okay.
Okay, I selected one drop, one life for now. Okay, because that's short and that's fine. Okay. So now after you have done the slogan, after you have done the title, then we'll write some points on how to save water. And you will write it in points, not in sentences. Points. Okay, rainwater harvesting, someone said.
Yes.
Then next, I need points, not sentences. Next, anyone?
I'm making optimum use of available water.
Ma'am, 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle.
Okay, I'll just write 3 hours. You can expand it. Next, just give me 1 or 2 more points.
Alternative ways to
Ma'am, decontamination of water.
Okay, decontamination of water.
use water wisely.
Yeah, that's it. Water, use water wisely. Okay, so you will write points. Okay, you will write points. After that, you can draw a picture of water. How can you draw a picture of water?
Ma'am, draw a
A
tap
drop.
and
From
then
a
a,
drop.
Yeah, you can
ma'am,
just.
draw a tap and then a drop falling from it.
My drawing is very bad. I don't know how to draw a drop. So like it is. Something like this you can draw. Okay. Is it fine? I know you students can do better. So make sure you draw very
Yes.
well. Yeah. You're saying yes. Okay. So after we have made the poster, here in the end I'll write issued by any organization like National Agricultural Organization, any organization name. Okay, I'll write this. I'll write in the end. Now you have to understand one thing. So this is the issuing name of the issuing authority. Clear? Now, if the situation is different, if the question is different, okay, this is one awareness poster we have made, okay. Now, for example, the situation is different that the school or some college, they are having a festival, okay. Then the name of the issuing authority will come here. For example, our school is organizing one carnival. So I'll write NK Bagrodia Public School invites you to the carnival, and then you write date, venue, everything. So then the
Ma'am, but
issuing
can it
authority
be
will
replaced
come
by the
here.
carnival's name heading?
Can you repeat?
Ma'am, can the organization's name be replaced by carnival name, carnival's heading or something?
No, but then you're inviting someone to the carnival. So that's why you have to write the issuing authority first here. You are inviting someone, that person should know who is, because for in that situation, name of the issuing authority becomes very prominent. Okay, so that's why it will come here, and then you can write the carnival's name after the name of issuing authority. Clear? And when you're writing the carnival's name, make sure it's bold, in bold letters. Okay? Is that clear? For
Ma'am, can you
writing,
tell your format once again?
for creating awareness or for this invitation?
Ma'am, awareness.
For the awareness one, you write the title, you write the slogan, you write some points, you give some details about that, and you can draw something. That's up to you. You can draw something. Okay? And then in the end, you write the issuing authority. So the main thing that we have in the format, we have title. Okay, we have title. We have slogan. Okay, we have title, we have slogan, we have important details. Okay, we have important details. For example, if it's an invitation, we have important details like date, time, venue, and then we have the name of the issuing authority. Okay, title, remember title, slogan, important details, and the issuing authority. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now you have poster making for 3 marks, right? Let me check one.
Ma'am, the picture should be prominent on the page. Should it be in the center or something?
No, it should not be in the center. In the center, you will add the important details. Picture, you can draw it on this side, the small one. Okay, so poster making is for 3 marks. Okay, so see, your format contains 1 mark. Your format contains 1 mark. Format is what I've told you, that it should be in a box. It should be of 50 words. That's it. Okay, and you should have all of these. That is format. Content is 1 mark. Okay, content is what words
Ma'am, I
you
have a
have
doubt.
used. Yes.
Ma'am, can we write, in poster making at the last issued in public interest?
You can write that. You can write that.
Okay,
But
ma'am.
still try to mention issuing authority also.
Will pay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, issued in public interest is basically different from who has issued it. Okay, so format is 1 mark. Okay, where you have 50 words, you have the box, you have the title, you have the slogan, important details, issuing authority. Okay, that is your format. Content is 1 mark. Okay, content is basically what kind of words you have used. Have you used sentences? Have you inserted all the important details? Then you have expression for 1 mark. Expression will be your overall look of the poster. Okay, expression will be your overall. Is it neat? Have you not put all of the things together? Okay, so expression is basically your overall look of the poster. Okay, so you have to keep format, content, and expression in your mind. And it's very easy to score full marks in poster. You just have to practice. You just have to make that poster perfect. Is it clear?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the format of this?
Format is you have a box. Okay, word limit is 50 words, not more than that. Okay, you have the title, you have the slogan, you have all the important details. Okay, you have all the important details, you have the issuing authority. So you have to remember 4 things: title, slogan, important details, and issuing authority. Clear?
This, ma'am, or this invitation to one.
When invitation is there, issuing authority will come here. The first thing will be the issuing authority. I am sending you two samples right now. One is for the creating awareness, the Save Water one, okay? And one I am sending you as
Ma'am,
the
where?
invitation.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
if it is a fundraiser, then
Give me an example.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
if
so
the school is if a school volleyball
Can you send the
team is
sample?
hosting a
Then
fundraiser.
if that is school is organizing the fundraiser, right? So the school name will come here, and you add the important details. You can also do this. If there is a special attraction, you can also make something like this. You know, there you have seen this in advertisement that there's a star and there's special prize, something like this. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Then it
You
would
can
be an
make a
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, you can make a cloud also. Yes, Kanak?
then it would become an advertisement.
Yeah, no, 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 I'm not talking about fundraiser. This is a separate thing. For the fundraiser, you write the school name here and you then add all the details. For that, you do need to mention date, time, venue. Okay, don't write that the date is this, the time is this, and the venue is this. No, not like this. Just date, time, venue. That's it. Date is this, time is this, venue is this. One word.
Ma'am,
Clear?
can we use colors?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can we use colors in poster making?
You can use, but try to avoid it. Don't make it too messy. Colors are usually, you can use pencil, you can sketch, okay? And when you are writing the title, you can use black pen also, but don't use that. Make it very simple because at the end we are making the poster for the exam purposes, right? We are not actually displaying a poster. Okay, so don't use colorful pens first of all. Don't use colorful pens. Clear? Try to do it with pen only. It will be more neat then. I'm sending you two samples. Then we'll make one poster in the class. Just a second.
Where will you
So
send the
ma'am, we
sample?
don't have to color it.
I am sending. Don't color it. Don't color it. It becomes very messy.
Ma'am, where will you send the sample?
I'm sending it to you just a second on your WhatsApp groups.
Ma'am, in MS Teams or in WhatsApp?
WhatsApp. Just a second. I'm just sending you just a second. Okay, see, I have sent first the awareness one. Check this. This is the awareness one.
Stop polio fever one, ma'am. Forever, I mean.
Yeah, yeah.
Answer is given.
Yeah, this is a sample poster I've sent you. Okay, so I sent you two types of
Ma'am,
posters.
Teams
Just
or
go through it.
WhatsApp?
WhatsApp. Just go through these
Ma'am, what
ones.
about
Yes.
attendance?
What about the
Attendance.
attendance? I'll take later.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am,
And 11th, yeah. Ask us. Someone was asking something.
ma'am, second sample is ma'am of advertisement.
Yeah, it's an advertisement. It's basically prepare a poster calling the attention of students desirous of attending. Yeah, it's basically an advertisement. Okay. See, now this coaching center is putting out, right? So that's why their name is very important to mention. That's why they have written it the first thing. Clear?
Ma'am, why have they written the slogan before it?
Slogan before?
Ma'am, they have written excellent results, sure success. So that will be the slogan. for it.
These are the things that you can edit on your own. You have written one slogan on the corner. Okay, so the thing is that there is no particular format for poster making. There is no particular format. It's just the things that you have to add. Like the title, you have to add. The slogan, you have to add. Important details and name of the issuing authority. These are the things that you have to add. For example, if there's a coaching center, okay, for them, the important details will be their address, their phone number. Okay, so these are the things that they
Picture is
have added.
compulsory for every poster, every kind of poster, right?
What are you asking, Hanak? For
Ma'am,
every
picture
kind of
is
poster?
compulsory for
No,
all kinds.
picture is not compulsory. Picture is not compulsory. It's basically how you present your poster. Picture is not compulsory. Should I send you one without the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll send one.
Ma'am, so which question we have to do in a notebook?
I'll send that question as well. This is just one sample. You don't have to do these questions. So this coaching center one doesn't have any picture, first of all. I'm
Yes,
sending
ma'am.
you another sample. Okay, wait. See, again, there is no picture in this as well.
Ma'am, in coaching one, ma'am, there was a table.
Yeah, that is a table, but there's no picture actually made. See the next one. Yeah, again, there is no picture. So that's what I'm trying to tell you, that there is no particular format, but it's just the
Ma'am,
things that you have to add.
Advertisement and poster now.
Sorry?
Ma'am, this looks like an advertisement to me.
It looks like an advertisement. So what is a poster? Advertisement, notice, invitation, all in one. So it's just an attractive way to present a notice. It's just an attractive way to present an advertisement. So, it's just that poster is not different from them. It's just all of them clubbed together becomes one poster. Clear?
Okay.
Should we do one question in the class? Okay, I am sending you the question. Please do it right now, okay?
Ma'am, on WhatsApp.
Yeah, on WhatsApp only. Okay, I sent you the question. Both of the groups, 11th to 11D, please make this. You've received the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, some students I called you, you didn't pick up the phone from 11th A. Arav Grewal, Anshika, Ayush, Daman, Gautam Kakkar, Linoy Manav, Sayam, Shashwat. Yeah.
I don't have any missed call.
I did call you. Okay, so do one
ये केवल
thing.
my number
Just
में मत.
stay, yeah, just stay after 11:45. I just need to confirm your subjects once.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Actually, I've changed my number.
Send me the new number also. Are you in the science group then? 11th A group?
I'm on the official group.
Okay. Just stay. I'll just confirm your subjects at 11:45.
Ma'am, is there any specification that we have to use only pen or something in posters?
Just don't use color pens. Not advisable. Try to draw it from a blue pen and black pen only. That's it.
Ma'am, is pencil fine?
Pencil is also fine, but when you are giving the board exam, no, then you don't draw with pencil. Then you use pen only. You can also underline and the title and the slogan. Once you have done, you can share your posters in the group.
Ma'am, we have to do it right now.
Yeah, you have to do it right now.
Ma'am, we have to choose title on our own.
Yes.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, the slogan has to be within quotes. Ma'am, you're muted.
Ma'am, you're
Ma'am, you are muted.
Sorry. Yeah, it's not necessary.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Send it, Aryan, once. I'll check.
Okay, ma'am.
Also, don't use short forms of slang. Okay? Okay, all of the students, please send it to me by today, the poster. Okay, I will give one more poster as a homework. Okay, so that you can send it to me by Monday. Unseen paragraph, please complete it.
I sent it. I sent the poster.
Let me see, Aryan. Just a second. Very good, Aryan. Very good. Very good. One thing that you can make it better, you don't number it. You don't number the points. You can make bullet points or arrows or stars. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So rest of the students also send it to me. Okay. And complete all the work. Okay. Voice of the rain and unseen paragraph. I'll share the answers after you have completed the unseen paragraph in the notebook. Is that fine? Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm taking the attendance. 11th A first. Akansha.
Present, ma'am.
Arav Grewal.
Ma'am, present. Arav Grewal
Arav,
present.
okay, Arav Sharma. Agnish.
Present, ma'am.
Aishwarya. Akshita.
Present, ma'am.
Aman.
Present, ma'am.
Anshika. Arumita.
Present, ma'am.
Aryan.
Present, ma'am.
Ayush.
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya Bhardwaj. Bhavya Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Devansh. Dishita.
Present, ma'am.
Galaxy.
Present, ma'am.
Gautam Kakkar.
Present, ma'am.
Gautam Kumar. Himanshu.
Present, ma'am.
Jayant. Kanak.
Present, ma'am.
Kana.
Present, ma'am.
Kunjal.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshay.
Present, ma'am.
Linoy. Manav.
Present, ma'am.
Pragya.
Present, ma'am.
Rishabh. Rohan.
Ma'am, present.
Sahil Bisht.
Present, ma'am.
Sahil Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Sanket. Sayam. Shashwat.
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh. Shriya.
Present, ma'am.
Siddhant Sharma,
Present, ma'am.
Siddharth Jain,
Present, ma'am.
Siddharth Singwal,
Present, ma'am.
Shrishti, Vani,
Present, ma'am.
Vanshika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, now 11D, quickly. Abhishek, Ansh, Aryan, Bhavya,
Ma'am, Abhishek present. I'm Aryan present. I'm Aryan present.
okay. Dheeraj, Dhruv, Gandharv, Jesht, Kashish, Khushi, Lakshay,
Present, ma'am.
Mansi, Nishchay,
Present, ma'am.
Pooja, Pratyusha,
Ma'am, Pooja present.
Pratyusha, Raghav, Raghuvar,
Present, ma'am.
Rakshit, Rashi,
Present, ma'am.
Rohit,
Present, ma'am.
Saksham, Satyam, Shivam,
Present, ma'am.
Shresht, Simran,
Present, ma'am.
Sneha,
Present, ma'am.
Tanishka, Vansh,
Present.
Vikhyat,
Present, ma'am.
Yashasvi, Kirti,
Present, ma'am.
Shreya, Harshit.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, now that's it for today. Okay, so complete the poster. Yes,
I said.
Ishwarya, yeah, I've marked a present. Yeah, I've marked a present. Okay, complete the poster making. Okay,
Ma'am,
complete
I have
all
sent.
the
Can
work.
you check?
Yeah, Kanak, I'll just check. Just a second. Oh, very good. Very good, Kanak. Very beautiful. Good. Okay, now I want everyone to send their posters in the group once. Okay, I'll also give one more question. You can do it as homework. Okay, any doubt?
Ma'am, I have also sent, ma'am.
Okay, Vanshika, I'll check. Okay, so from Monday, should we just start with a new topic or should we just practice poster one more class? You tell. Do we need to practice one more class poster? Sorry?
Ma'am, new topic.
New topic. Okay, we'll. But once you all have sent me the posters, okay, so that I can see that yeah, you can make the poster now. Okay, just send me the posters, everyone, and then we'll continue on Monday. Okay, you can leave now, except for the students that I said need to stay. Rest of you can leave now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, thank you.